Czech marketer Vondrousova left Tunisia's Ons Jabeur heartbroken once again as she claimed a surprise 6-4-6-4 victory on Saturday to become the first unseeded player to win the Wimbledon women's singles title. The 24-year-old left-hander, who a year ago needed wrist surgery, proved too steady for the error-strewn Jabeur, who ended up as runner-up as she did in 2022. Jabeur, beaten by Elena Rybakina last year and by Iga Swiatek in the 2022 US Open final, was bidding to become the first Arab player to win a Grand Slam title and the first African woman to lift one of the 4 major trophies. But she was well below her best, with 31 unforced errors killing her chances of a victory that would have been a milestone moment for women's sport. "This is the most painful loss of my career," the crowd favorite said as she fought back tears. "Today is going to be a tough day for me, but I'm not going to give up and I'm going to come back stronger. It's been a tough journey, but I promise I will come back and one day win this tournament."